So last night, coming into Valentine, we ate dinner and decided to make an audible. That's what Tim from the pedal shift calls that anyway, making an audible. And get a hotel. Today we're going to go to Cottonwood recreation area. It's about 61 miles, so we're trying to leave a little early, just a little after 7 this morning. We're also going to go through the mountain time zone change. But we're all packed up, just had breakfast and getting ready to go. I'm gonna make sure we have plenty of water because there's not too many stops. They get more sparse and sparse the further we go west. And fingers crossed, we might have some sort of a tailwind today. Just maybe. Pray to the wind gods. Making some adjustments on the new bike. Some seat adjustments. Too much?
Yeah, I think that'd be...
Well, the thing is you got to look at the front tip and the back.
Yeah, here and here.
Yeah.
That may be a little painful.
Plus your bike's leaned over too, so.
Okay, let's give it a try.
So we're completely past the cowboy trail now, but here is the actual railroad bed that they're supposed to expand as part of the nationwide trail system, and just finishing off the cowboy trail. But you can see right in front of me there, that's the railroad bed. That direction, that's heading back to Valentine, and this is the other side of it. You can't really tell there. Some gorgeous sandhills behind me, pretty much all around us. Not a lot of trees or shade cover, so we're trying to make headway this morning before it gets into the mid 80s. I think it's going to be 97 by the end of the week, so could be starting early, or at least taking a break in the afternoon to get out of the sun.
I hear birds. I think they're the same birds that keep following me. That blackbird looks familiar.
So I think we're about to cross into the mountain time zone. It's a pretty awesome feat on a bicycle. This is the only one I've ever crossed into as a mountain on a bike before. So I think there's a green sign up here. I think this is it. doesn't matter too much on a bike because we're just following sun up to sundown. But awesome waypoint though, to say the least. Nope, never mind. It's a sign for the German settlement road. Not that spectacular. They better have a sign. I want a sign. Okay, so I think this is the real sign, not the German village sign. Pretty sure, because there's two signs, one on each side of the road. It's got to be the mountain time zone marker. Nope, just a Bridges to Butte sign. No time zone for me. I swear, there's got to be one. There's got to be one. Okay, this has got to be it. It's a green sign. There's one on each side of the road. I don't see another road where it would be telling you to go somewhere or about some destination. This has got to be the time zone sign. It's got to be. Guess what? It is! Yay! Woohoo! Yeah! All right, mountain time zone, here we come. Mountain time zone.
Dude, I'm like an hour behind you right now.
Yeah. No, I'm an hour behind you.
Got it.
Huh. Time for lunch in Cody. We're just hanging out in a park in Cody. Doty's making some adjustments to his handlebars. Trying to get him closer in since he can't raise them up. So he flipped the stem around. We'll see, he's on his maiden voyage with it. With the setup. It's a nice park here. They got a shower and bathroom. I don't know what this is. This is like a concrete table under this shelter here. I don't know. 20 bucks a night for camping for hookups though. I don't know how much tent camping is. Here he is. Let's see how it worked out.
Different.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
It's loading up. Resupply time. This building is made out of hay bales. Pretty darn cool. I think it's run by the high school or something like that. The Sea Market. Really nice place. Good place to stop when you're on the bike too. They had some fresh vegetables and stuff like that here too, in addition to regular, you know, gas station type stuff. So it's like a mini grocery store. We got 22 or 23 miles left to the Cottonwood recreation area. We're gonna spend the night, and there's really nothing between here and there, so we're stocking up for tonight and tomorrow morning. I think we got everything we need, and I don't want to jinx it, but I think we might have a tailwind. That's it. Time to hit the road. We are in some wide open spaces, let me tell you. Whew. It's just breathtaking. '20 has been absolutely great. I couldn't ask for a better biking road either. We've had this is actually the smallest shoulder that we've had the entire trip, and it's still, I don't know, 5 or 6 feet. So just been wonderful. Some spots are a little heavier in traffic, but you know, out here it's, you know, you get a car or two, you know, every 5 minutes or so. So it's not bad at all. Just beautiful scenery too. All right, so we made it to Cottonwood recreation area. We got a little lake here and someone out there jet skiing right now. We have a couple RVs. They're really nice folks. They gave us some water. They gave us some water as the pump smells like rotten eggs. So they were nice enough to give us some bottled water. So we're good. We're about 1.5 miles from, I think it's Merriman, which is the next town. So a quick jaunt in the morning to there, off 20, but there's a nice breeze, so it feels really good to be sheltered and sheltered out of the sun and in a cool breeze. So we got everything's all set up. Let's make some dinner shortly and probably call it an early night, I imagine. And listen to the generators from the RV soothe us to sleep.